Hi, I'm Stacey with WTI. You looking for a bag that really will go with you anywhere? This beautiful bag from Missnine is great for travel, for all around town use, or for work use. The bag is made out of a beautiful quilted puffy nylon material. You can see the outside, it has a beautiful texture to it and design. All of the hardware is made with this really pretty gold detailing, and it's all sturdy and well made. The handles themselves are faux leather, but they're also really strong, and I love that you can either detach or just place inside the shoulder strap. I love that the bag also has lots of features that allow me to really make use of every part of it. Yet the bag itself only weighs 3 pounds. However, it's sturdy enough so that I can carry my laptop, my tablet, my wallet, my keys, my phone, anything that I need to. And the inside keeps it well organized thanks to the many different pockets, including one on the outside as well. This bag is so awesome so that I can carry a notebook with me, my giant big calendar. I can keep everything that I need to feel organized without feeling like it's a piece of luggage. This bag is perfect for an upcoming trip you might have, or if you want to be able to have it for everyday use for work. I love this ivory color, and it also comes in black, but whatever option that you choose, you will definitely find that this bag feels wonderful, it's gorgeous, and it will help you to have everything with you all the time. But that's just my point of view.